In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues with Google Drive. Whether you're on a web or mobile platform, Google Drive is an essential tool for managing and sharing your files. Let's jump into some easy ways to ensure it's running smoothly. First off, we need to check our internet connection. It's the backbone of using any cloud service. So make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. In some cases, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can resolve connectivity issues, giving you that stable connection Google Drive needs. If you find yourself still facing problems, run a quick speed test. Keep in mind that slow upload speeds can indeed cause delays, so it's best to address any internet speed issues early on. Occasionally, the simplest solutions can be the most effective. Restarting Google Drive or the browser or app you are using often resolves minor glitches. If you're on the web, try closing and reopening the Google Drive tab or accessing it in incognito mode. On your mobile device, just force close the Drive app and then reopen it. For those using Google Drive for desktop, quit the app and restart it. This action helps clear out any temporary glitches that might be hindering performance. Clearing your browser or app cache is another helpful trick. Over time, cached data can clog up your system, leading to performance issues. Additionally, disable any browser extensions or ad blockers as they may interfere with how Google Drive functions. Navigating to your Google Drive homepage and checking your file size and format is also crucial. Remember that free Google accounts have a total storage limit of 15 GB, so ensure that your file isn't larger than your available space. For really large files, meaning those larger than 5 GB, consider using Drive for desktop rather than the web to upload these files more efficiently. Next up, signing out and back into your Google account can refresh your Drive sync. This is a straightforward step to reset your connection to Google servers. It's also a good idea to keep your Google Drive app or browser up to date. On mobile, check the Play Store or App Store for any updates to the Drive app. On desktop, make sure your browser, ideally Chrome, is updated to its latest version to ensure compatibility. For those using Google Drive for desktop, pausing and resuming uploads can sometimes kickstart any stuck processes. Simply click on the Drive icon, pause the syncing, wait a few seconds, and then resume it. This small pause can help sync your files properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most common Google Drive issues. A few simple checks, resets, and updates can go a long way in keeping your Google Drive experience smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.